Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Kitty. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a ride or die part of KKC, welcome back. Today, guys, I am having homemade shrimp noodles. It's kind of like a shrimp lo mein type thing. The noodles are Asian style noodles. That's literally what it says on the bag. And I steamed vegetables, I steamed green beans, carrots, and there's little baby corns, but I don't think there was very many in there. I know there's one in here somewhere. I saw it. Anyways, and then, is that a water chestnut? I don't even know. I don't know. It looks like a little potato, but it doesn't taste like potato. It's kind of sweet. Anyways, and then I have little baby shrimps. And I have water to drink. So, before I start, shout out to my MVP for the month of April, Nosh with Ness. That's Vanessa over at Nosh with Ness. Her link to her channel will be in the description below. Go give her some love, guys. Tell her Miss Kitty, I almost said Miss Kitty 506 sent you, but just tell her Miss Kitty sent you. Speaking of Miss Kitty 506, guys, I decided with the help of my friends that to take the leap and change my channel name. I was hesitant at first because I struggle with like change a little bit. So let's get a bite of this and then I will continue to talk. I have a couple things I want to talk about. Like I said, I was a little hesitant to change my name, but I just was kind of feeling like my channel name didn't really reflect my channel. Where I did the switch and split my content, all my vlogs, day in the life, unboxing, cosmetic Ipsy reviews, stuff like that, was kind of mixed in with my mukbangs, and I just was like, YouTube doesn't really know where to push my content. So then I did the split. Then I was feeling like I wanted a name that was going to kind of reflect what Miss Kitty's channel is. My main channel, it's a mukbang channel. So I thought, ooh, I need a shrimp on here. Yum. We need a green bean up in there too. So, but I wanted to keep the Miss Kitty. That's me. It's like really a part of me now. So, literally, I have a tattoo, Miss Kitty, on my leg, which I'm probably gonna get it covered. But that's a whole other story. So I wanted a name that was going to be still Miss Kitty and incorporate my channel's a mukbang channel. And I had thought of Miss Kitty 420 Munchies. And then I was like, no, I really don't want to put the 420 in my name. Just cause. And then I was like, Miss Kitty Mukbangs. And then I was like, oh my gosh, Miss Kitty Mukbang Munchies. Because the munchies, hello, you guys know me. I like my plant medicine. Oh, this is a lot of noodles. Mm-hmm. So, there we have it. Miss Kitty's Mukbang Munchies. I hope you guys like the name. I think it's cute. It's still me. It still tells you what my channel is. I don't know. I always kind of felt like something was missing in my channel name. So we're just going to roll with it, see what happens. Oh, there's another one of those. Oh, I just broke it. No, it's there. What is that? Is that a water chestnut? I think I asked that in another video. I probably repeat myself a lot. So, I was reached out to by a very good friend of mine. I have known her for a lot of years. Her name is Erica. And she asked me if I would share a little bit of her story on Facebook. And she's having some medical issues. And I figured I would, I told her I would do anything I can to help her. Even if that is just sharing her story, spreading the word, stuff like that. So, there's a whole backstory of her health issues. And I'm going to leave the whole description with the link. And if you guys could check it out, share it if you are able to help in any way. Even, like I said, even just sharing it helps big time. She's not one to ask for help, and she said, like, I had to put my pride aside and reach out to friends and family and whatnot. So I will tell you what it is that she has. I have known her since I was like, I want to say 10 or 11. I was like a kid. She lived just up the street from me. And eventually, a few years later, she actually lived in my house where I grew up with my family. We took her in and helped her. She has advanced systemic mastocytosis. It's in her bones, blood, liver, kidneys, heart, and is spreading. She's on an immunosuppressant as well as low-dose chemotherapy pill. She's hoping the two combined will help, but because of already having damage in 3 major organs, they aren't sure it's going to help her or hurt her. So I will share her backstory. I'm not going to read it right now. It's a lot. But I just wanted to, I said I would help in any way I can. And at this particular moment, just spreading the word and telling her story, sharing her story. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, so I will leave that in the description below, guys, if you want to check it out. And I would greatly appreciate it, and so would Erica. So, come on. Mm. 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 Oh, there goes that noodle. So, oh, another thing I wanted to mention about this channel, it is going to be strictly mukbangs. You know how I was doing my, like, my shorts of what's for dinner? And it's like me cooking and stuff and making the little short videos. Those are getting moved over to my other channel, Kitty's World. Link in the description if you want to check it out. I do hauls, unboxings, vlogs, day in the life, stuff like that. But I want to keep this channel just mukbangs. I just think it's going to be cleaner and neater, and YouTube will kind of know what to do with me. Instead of putting Kitty in the corner. Oh, there's another one. Mmm. So good. Oh, there's a little corn. Well, a piece of one. I'm really tired today. Not as tired as I was earlier. I kind of hit like a crash at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I'm like, oh, and then I'm okay for a while. Holy. Noodles are so filling. Pasta, noodles. What's your favorite noodles? I love chicken lo mein. I love shrimp lo mein. I love pad thai. Oh, so good. Singapore noodles. They're nice and spicy. So good. So a warm welcome to my new subscribers that I've recently met. I see you. I just bit my cheek. Ow. Jamie's home. Oh my goodness. 3 baby shrimps. So thirsty today. The other day, it's like, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock at night, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, I didn't drink any water at all today, which is weird. Very weird for me to not drink water. Well, I had coffee, but does that count? According to TikTok, it is water premium or something. I gotta use my... Does anybody else do this? To scoop food on your fork? Come on, no noodle left behind. Get up there. We got lonely little shrimps. So yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. Staying safe. I know across Canada things are getting crazier. But I really hope you're all safe and well and doing what you need to do. If you're struggling, make sure you reach out to somebody. Reach out to me. My Instagram link is in the description. You guys can find me on Instagram. It's Miss Kitty's Mukbang Munchies. That's gonna take a little bit for me to get used to. But yeah, reach out to someone if you're struggling in general, not even just with everything going on in the world right now. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Again, I will leave the link to the little backstory, what's going on with my friend Erica. I will leave all of that information in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. I love reading your comments. I love replying back to you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this mukbang, and I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces!